Good day! So for today's lesson, we will talk about the mathematical modeling in a series circuit. But first, we are to define the mathematical modeling. What is mathematical model? Mathematical model is a process that uses mathematics to represent, analyze, make predictions that can be applied in a real-life system or phenomena. But we are only to discuss how mathematical model being applied in electrical system, specifically in a series circuit. Now, considering a single loop LRC series circuit containing an inductor, resistor, and capacitor. The current in a closed circuit is denoted by I sub t. The charge on the capacitor at time is denoted by Q sub t. The letters L, R, and C are the capacitance, inductance, and the resistance. And they are generally constant. Now, according to the Kirchhoff's second law, the impressed voltage is of T in a closed loop must be equal to the sum of the voltage drop in a loop. In here, we can see the formula for the respective voltage drop across the inductance, the capacitance, and the resistance. Since I sub t is related to charge Q of t on the capacitor by I is equals to dq over dt, in here, L di over dt will also be equal to L d squared q over dt squared. Whereas we are only substitute this since I is equals to dq over dt in here. And then IR will be R dq over dt. Again, substituting the value of the I or the current. And the capacitor is the same as it is. 1 over C Q. And equating the sum to the impressed voltage yields the second order differential equation L d squared Q over dt squared plus R dq over dt plus 1 over cq is equals to E sub t. And then that will be our mathematical model for LRC series circuit. Now let's cite an example number 1. A series circuit contains a resistor and an inductor as shown in the figure below. Determine a differential equation for the current I sub t if the resistance is R, the inductance is L, and the impressed voltage is E sub t. In here, we can see that there is no capacitance. And by using the equation or the mathematical model, we can see here this one, the L d squared q over dt squared plus R dq over dt plus 1 over cq is equals to E. We can get the differential equation. Since I is equals to dq over dt, by substituting, I is also equals to di over dt. And then substituting this to here, then 1 over c q will be cancelled out since there is no capacitance. Then this will yield L di over dt plus Ri is equals to E sub t. And then this will be our differential equation in the problem number 1. Problem number 2. A series contains the resistor and the capacitor as shown in the figure below. Determine a differential equation for the charge Q sub t on the capacitor if the resistance is R, the capacitance is C, and the impressed voltage is E sub t. In here, we can see that there is no inductance. The given are only the resistance and the capacitance. And again, we are to define or to determine the differential equation for this problem. And by using our mathematical model for LRC, that states L d squared q over dt squared plus R dq over dt plus 1 over cq is equals to Et, we can get the differential equation of the problem. Since the inductance is 0, no inductor in the circuit, we can easily get the differential equation of the problem. R dq over dt plus 1 over cq is equals to E sub t. And that will be our final answer or the differential equation in the problem number 2. And that's it. I hope you've learned something from me. Thank you very much. I am Mariela Estayang from BSC 2A. God bless.